Welcome back to another video. Today we got the C450 dash camera. It's a 1080p Full HD and a 3.0 LCD screen. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tour reviews, to deals. Alright, yeah, it is a 170 degree 1080p 3.0 lens. It is from Apeman. So this is the brand Apeman. I gotta say, I lost the audio on this video that I did, so I will be just voicing it over. So you guys can see we got some literature there. We got hello. We got some instruction manual there, and then right off the bat we see the camera inside a plastic bag. Then we got this cardboard cover. Then we got some more stuff at the bottom. We got the mount and some wires. USB wires and 12 volt and some sort of reset key, a suction cup. That is the camera. Looks like a little camera with a screen on the back. That is the mount on the top, and that is the port right there where you charge it, and the wire where you connect the 12 volt to the car. That is for the SD card. Now we got some buttons up and down, and some more buttons on this side. We got some menus and different buttons there. We'll find out what those are. And then on the front we got a lens right there, just like a regular camera. It does have a microphone, so it does record audio. That is the bottom. That is when we turn it on, we can see that image. Okay, that is the menu button. Got resolution, burst, screensaver, beep, auto off. So yeah, this does have auto off. So I guess when every time you disconnected it from the 12 volt, it automatically shuts off. License plate, everything. So it does have a lot of features in here. I'm not gonna go over through all of them. Just the basics. And that is the 12 volt wire that they include. It's pretty long. You can connect it pretty much everywhere. You can even connect it on a rear window if that is what you want to do. The 12 volt adapter does have a USB adapter in there, so you can put a USB device. You can charge your phone or something. And there's the USB cable, and you can connect it to the computer. And then we got a suction cup. That is the part where sticks to the glass or the windshield, and you can mount it up on the camera. That is a suction cup right there. And all you have to do is just twist that little lever that's on the side. Just twist it up like you're tightening up something, and that's the way it tightens up to the windshield. And that's how you mount it. You mount it through the side. So you put it in, and then you that's the way it looks when it's mounted in the glass. And that is a little key that's included with maybe it's like a reset. So if you want to reset the device, that is some footage. That is an accident actually. So I just decided to put an accident here. Might as well just put something that's happening. But yeah, this is the day footage from this camera. It is early morning, like 6 a.m. So the sun's not not all the way out. It's partially. And as you can see, it's very clear. That is the night footage. You can see that it's really clear. I'm really impressed with this little camera. So anyways, just thought I'd share this video with you guys. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more 2 reviews, 2 deals, and we'll see you guys in the next one.